everyone, welcome back. I hope you guys doing all well. Today I'm here for sharing my another beauty unboxing video. I just picked up these two items from the Chanel Holiday 2021 makeup collection. These are the limited edition and I'm going to open the box and will show you what's inside. So let's get started. So here is the first item. This is a Longwear liquid eyeshadow and number is 27. I'm going to open the box. The item looks like that. It has a Chanel logo in gold. Let me just open the item, and applicator is like so. It's a beautiful gold glitter liquid eyeshadow. I hope you guys see the swatch. Okay, here I have another shot under the natural light. Hope you guys see those sparkle and color swatches. I think it's just so beautiful. Here is the second item. This is also a limited edition and it's a multi-effect eyeshadow palette. The package is inspired by the Chanel number 5. I think it's very unique and special. So let's open the box. It came with a velvet pouch as usual. And it has a kind of a lookbook. And the item looks like that. It also has a Chanel logo in gold. And here is some detailed information about the product. And let's open the palette. Let me remove the lid. And looks like this. It's so beautiful color, and it comes with 2 eyeshadow tips. And as you guys can see, it has a number 5 and their perfume bottle pattern on it. So let me just try to make a color swatch for you. So I'm going to use my finger and swatch over here on my arm. The first one. It's like that. It's kind of a gold glitters. And it's very sparkle. I think it will be good for the holiday makeup. And then second one right here. Going to swatch over here. Oh, it's so pretty. For me, it looks like a very silver Snow White kind of color. And then third one right here. Put on here. Let me do it one more time. Okay, it looks like that. You can see the differences between 3 of them. This one It's like a champagne beige. And then last one is right here. It's kind of black color. Put on here. Yes, it's obviously black. You can use this one as eyeliner or as a point makeup. It doesn't have any sparkle or glitters. It's just plain black type of eyeshadow. Okay, this is it. This was my very quick unboxing video, and I hope you guys enjoyed this video. And if you are interested in these items, you can check with your Chanel Beauty Advisor in your local store, or you can check their website. I hope you guys have a wonderful day, and I will see you in my next video. Bye!